Hi, welcome. My name is Sherwin Geddes. I'm here to give you a brief overview of the optometry section of OpenEMR. When you log into the demo and you go to the patients, and then you're going to see the patient finder, select a patient. It doesn't matter which one, but this one in this case is going to be the first one on the list. And you can see that you have some information about the patient. I'm going to go to past encounters and look at this one right here. As you can see, it has an eye exam already done. You notice when I mouse over the eye exam, it gives me information that I can see right away without actually having to go into the chart to see it. But I'm going to go into the chart anyway, and then once I get into the chart, you'll see that same information again. I'm talking fast because I don't want to take up a lot of your time. So also I'm going to click on Edit. Now when I go into Edit, you can see all of the fields that are available for an optometrist to fill out on their chart, okay, for a patient. So it's an extensive optometry chart that can be used. You can also set up inventory within OpenEMR so that if you're selling iframes, eyeglasses, iframes for the glasses, frames for the glasses, then you'll be able to inventory those frames and be able to do it all within one system. Check out the demo. Let me know what you think. What we're here for is if you're not tech savvy enough to install OpenEMR yourself, we can install it and manage it for you. But for those that are tech savvy and want to venture out, if you watch on our main page, it'll show you how to install OpenEMR from the AWS console and have it up and running in less than half an hour. Thank you very much.